the setup page. Here, as I already mentioned, R creates files like dimensional modeling. For example, it creates 3 files. One is report, student, another one is student, and the third one is class. It will be formed as a dimensional modeling. That is the way the Power BI will work very fine with dimensional modeling. That is why we have created this kind of dimensional modeling files. And as I mentioned I have created another one file that contains only one record for the academic year. Now let us go to the dashboard. This is a report. This is called overall report. So it shows when the user select the class in the filter, it shows the list of students of that particular class and their corresponding grade they have got. For example, the English, they have, for the term 1 of the English, the particular student has got the grade as B1. For term 2 it is B1. For the total and the academic in English it is B1 also. Likewise, every subject has is the grade, and the last column contains the overall grade for that particular student. So the students are listed here. The corresponding grade they have got is also placed in the different columns. When we select a different class, then the list of students shown in this dashboard is for that particular class. So this page is for the record and for the report of the students at overall, and the next page contains student performance. Here, when we select a student, what the total marks, what the total marks he has obtained, and what is the overall grade for that marks, and every subject, what is the term 1 mark, term 1 corresponding grade for every subject, like this it shows. When we select another one student, it shows for that particular student. For example, this is for the Kirti student. The student name called Kirtana Kush. So she has got 346 out of 400, and the grade is A2. And this is the class. It will be useful for selecting filtering the students. So if we are going to search a student in 4th B, then it will be taken here, and the corresponding students will be listed here. We can choose that any particular student in that class. So we can also give the filter alphabetically, for example A, B, C, D. Then if the A is selected, then the name starts with A will be displayed in this filter. That kind of easiness we can also do, or we can also provide the search criteria. When we enter the name, it will show the list of the names and satisfying what we have entered. So this is to find out how the students perform in their class in different sections of different subjects, various subjects, and the overall grade and overall marks also. The next one is called the class. Here we can compare the whole class. For example, when we compare, it is provided with multiple selections. I have selected 4th A and 4th B in these sections. So it shows how many persons have got in different record. For example, A1, the 4th A, there are 2 students have got A1 and 1 student from 4th B. Likewise, A2, A1, the 4th A has 12 students, and the 4th B contains 5 students with the grade A2. Likewise, this is for overall, and this chart is for English. It shows how many people have got, how many grade, everything. Likewise, we can have different subjects also. So here in the bottom, we have got what is the average mark of the students. This is out of 400, the overall average marks for class 4A. This is for class 4B. So this is class A contains the average marks as 293, and the average in the B section contains the B section has got average marks as 248, and this is the average marks for different sections. If we are interested in third, then we can choose those standards only, and 1 minute. Then it will shows for third A and third B. So any kind of comparison we can make as the whole class, and how the students in those class are performing here. If we want 5 sections, then we can also have 5 sections. Likewise, we can do analysis at the whole class wise. And this page is for English. English, what is the term 1 and the different section, they have got the marks. For example, PT1, they have got 9.8, and this particular student has got 9.8 out of 10. And what is the for different what is the overall grade in English, what is the total marks in English as annual. Likewise, we can show for English, and we can select a separate class and for to see the list of that particular class, list of students for that particular class. And we have provided every page for every student for maths, for EVS, and all those. And there is one more page for only this contains only the overall values. This is the 306 out of 400 for this particular student, and the overall grade is B1 for that particular student. Likewise, we can select, and then we can select the class also here. So this is the way we have selected this analysis. And I just want to say that with the help of R programming, in that case Python can also be used there, and the Power BI combination, we can make most of the things possible. We can analyze anything. It is not only for the school, any industry or any shop. If the data is available, we can do any kind of analysis with the help of